In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find old messages in Slack. First, open your web browser and head to Google. This is a simple way to get to Slack if you don't already have it bookmarked or the desktop app installed. In the Google search bar, type Slack. You'll see Slack's official site at the top of the results. Click the Slack website to go to the sign-in page or directly into your workspace if your session is still active. If you're prompted to sign in, use your usual workspace credentials. Keep your login details private and enter them only on Slack's official site. Once you're in Slack, open the channel where you think the conversation took place. This could be a public channel, a private channel you're a member of, or even your direct message with someone. Opening the likely channel first helps you focus your search and reduces the noise from other parts of your workspace. Now look to the top right of Slack's window and click the search icon. This opens the search field and brings up helpful suggestions. The search tool is powerful and works across messages, files, and people, so it's the fastest way to surface something from the past. Type a keyword from the old message you want to find. Use distinctive words that would have appeared in that conversation, project names, file names, or an exact phrase in quotes if you remember it. You can also refine what you type to narrow results. Adding in, followed by the channel name limits, results to the channel you opened, and using from, with a teammate's display name, focuses on messages sent by that person. If you remember roughly when it happened, include before or after, with a date to zero in on the time frame. The more specific your keyword or phrase, the better your results will be. After you enter your keyword, Slack shows all related messages that match what you typed. You'll see a list of results with snippets that highlight your terms. Click any result to jump straight to the exact message in its original context, with the message highlighted so it's easy to spot. From there, you can scroll up or down to review the surrounding conversation, open attached files, or copy links for reference. If you see many matches, adjust your keyword for precision, or add a quick filter right in the search field to tighten things up. That's it. By opening Slack, selecting the right channel, using the search icon, and entering a smart keyword, you can quickly bring old messages back into view. Thanks for watching, and happy searching.